Welcome viewers to the channel. If you enjoy tech content, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for notifications. Today, we're diving into a comparison between two fascinating devices, the FlipperZero and the HackRF One. We'll explore their features, applications, and weigh their pros and cons to help you decide which device suits your needs. Chapter 1. What is the FlipperZero? The FlipperZero is a compact, portable, and beginner-friendly device designed for hacking and security testing. Think of it as a Swiss Army knife for hackers, packing multiple tools into one small package. Key features include RFID and NFC capabilities, allowing you to read, clone, and emulate access cards. It also has an infrared transmitter to control TVs, air conditioners, and other devices. Plus, its user-friendly interface makes it great for beginners in security testing. However, it does have some limitations, such as short-range interactions and limited processing power. Chapter 2. What is the HackRF One? The HackRF One is a software-defined radio, or SDR, that can transmit and receive signals over a wide frequency range, from 1 MHz to 6 GHz. It's more powerful, but does require some technical knowledge to operate effectively. Key features include the ability to analyze GSM, AM/FM, and digital signals. It works with multiple software tools for more advanced tasks, making it ideal for researchers, engineers, and radio enthusiasts. However, it comes with a steep learning curve and a higher price tag. Chapter 3. FlipperZero versus HackRF One. Key differences. When it comes to ease of use, the FlipperZero is beginner-friendly, whereas the HackRF One requires technical expertise. In terms of range, the FlipperZero is limited to short-range interactions like RFID, NFC, and infrared, while the HackRF One covers a wide range from 1 MHz to 6 GHz. The FlipperZero offers predefined hacking tools, making it ideal for security professionals, ethical hackers, and hobbyists. On the other hand, the HackRF One's open-ended software-defined capabilities are suited for advanced researchers, RF analysts, and engineers. Lastly, the FlipperZero is more affordable, while the HackRF One is expensive but powerful. Chapter 4. Which device is right for you? Choose FlipperZero if you're a beginner exploring RFID and NFC hacking. It's perfect if you need a portable, easy-to-use tool for everyday testing. Plus, it's an affordable hacking gadget. On the other hand, choose HackRF One if you're experienced in RF signal analysis and software-defined radios. This is the go-to device if you want to transmit and receive over a wide frequency range. It's ideal for those looking for an advanced professional-grade tool. Chapter 5. Ethical Hacking, a necessary reminder. Use these devices legally and ethically. Unauthorized access or data interception is illegal. Always obtain permission before testing security systems. Ethical hacking helps improve cybersecurity for everyone. Chapter 6. Beyond FlipperZero and HackRF One. Other notable tools in hardware hacking include Proxmark 3i, a powerful device for RFID analysis, RTL SDR, a budget-friendly alternative for SDR beginners. Research and choose the right tool for your needs. Chapter 7. The future of hacking and innovation. Technology is evolving. New hacking tools and techniques emerge constantly. The FlipperZero and HackRF One are just the beginning. Stay curious, keep learning, and embrace new advancements. Chapter 8. Conclusion and call to action. Which device interests you the most? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech and cybersecurity content. Stay tuned for future videos on hacking tools, ethical hacking, and digital security.